How to get promo codes for Pocket FM. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can get promo codes for Pocket FM. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do. So if you want to get promo codes for Pocket FM, it is a very easy method. You can directly head over to any of the browser that you prefer. So I can just open up any of the browser and type in promo codes for Pocket FM in the search bar. Once you do that, you should be finding different results available with different links. So what you need to do is go ahead to the one that you feel like is right. For example, let's go to the scrabon.in, and when we head over to this section, you should be finding different offers available. So for Pocket FM, let's go to this cashback offer. You can tap on the show details if you want more details about that. So in order to activate this code, you don't necessarily need any kind of code. It will automatically activate. So let's just head over to the next one. This one right here, referral code. So you can tap on it and you can use the search bar for promo codes for Pocket FM. Tap on it and just go ahead and claim it. So these are the methods you can apply up if you want to get codes for Pocket FM. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.